Yo, what's going on, boys? How you doing? Yash, Big Money, Hamza, Mo, stop crying, it's okay. NS is in here. Carson, Scrooge, Peter, Hamza again. What's going on, boys? Gervais, obviously very bearish close. There's no other way to put it. Bears are in full control still, but remember, today was end of quarter. There was a lot of funds. You guys realize how much money has to shift around at the end of each quarter? They have to rebalance. They have to change from tech to value or value to tech or safe plays, dividend stocks. Sometimes they sell equities and oh, what's up, Optimus? I didn't see Kyle. Sometimes they sell their equity plays and they buy into bonds for more safety because they see more downside. Turkey nailed those puts. What's up, brother? Um, there's no other way to put it. It's a very bearish close. I mean, 430 was key hold. We did not hold it. We lost the lows at the end of the day. Ugly, ugly candle on SPY. You see all these lines that I drew today? They are all violated. Just like R. Kelly violates people, that's why he's in jail. But yeah, weekly, I had the weekly 21-day moving average on here. I had a daily 21-day moving average. I don't even know. I had a bunch of lines set up here. They broke through every single one of them. The first time we went down to 430, what's up, Ollie? How you doing? The first time we went down here, we did hold 430. We were just trickling around that moving average. This is a 21-day moving average at this white line here. What's up, CJ Fit? Big dump into the end. It looks like a lot of hedge fund managers, a lot of banks were rotating out of equities and into bonds is the best way to put it for me. Other than that, let's go back to the longer term time frames. Again, we are in a massive bull market, as you guys see. Daily consolidation has obviously begun, as I already told you. Weekly, did we start consolidation? Weekly, we still have a bull flag technically. So for weekly consolidation, we have to lose this low right here, which is at 420.62. 420.62. If we lose that, that means we're into weekly consolidation. Then we have to zoom out to the monthly. So far, the monthly looks absolutely fine. I mean, this many days up in a row. As you guys know, usually when we have a huge run up like this, look at this, 5 straight months up. We had 2-month pullback last September and October. You guys, I don't know if you guys were in MSL. Is it lagging again, man? Hold on.
It won't lag on playback.
It doesn't lag on playback?
No.
Alright, so guys, I am not sure. I tried to fix the issue, but it still says, but if you guys want to play it back later, then that's fine. I'll just do it right now, and then after it's done, it'll be uploaded on YouTube, and you guys can watch it then. But obviously, I don't know what's going on. I will try to fix it. I tried to fix it yesterday. But let's see. Okay, so the monthly looks fine, absolutely. But like we said, there could be 2 months of pullback. Remember when the COVID lows were put in? We ran 5 months straight up. September was down, October was down, and we held the 8-day moving average all the way up again. So now we have to expect a pullback to the moving average on the monthly, which is at 416. If we get under 416, that means the market's in real trouble. Okay? Other than that, we're still in an uptrend. Everything looks okay. I mean, longer term positions are fine right now. Weeklies are kind of tough unless you're playing to the bear side. But this low right here was 428.86. Today's low was 428.94. So we did hold that. That's one bullish thing. That is a very key level. This low right here, which is 428.86. Let's see if we hold it tomorrow. 428.86, very important on SPY, short term. QQQ dumped stronger at the beginning of the day, end of the day it was the weakest, closed at the low of the day just like SPY did. Daily looks like it's ready to dump. We did lose this low, so QQQ is the weakest out of everyone. SPY, we did not lose Monday's low. SPY did not lose last week's low. QQQ did lose it. So QQQ is the weakest right now. Daily is under full consolidation. Weekly is under consolidation because we did crack that number of 358.50 today. We got down to 357.10. So weekly consolidation underway on QQQ. So tech is the weakest sector right now. It's weaker than SPY. Keep an eye on that. XLF also weak, but not even close to SPY. And QQQ, as look at those XLF lows are way down here. SPY already cracked those lows, and so did QQQ. Or SPY is very near those lows, and XLF is much higher up. So financials in better shape than tech. Let's check IWM here. IWM just range bound again for a year. Since February, it's just been sideways. I mean, it's still holding those September 20th lows. Was that the day I'm talking about here? Yep, September 20th SPY low was not broken today. QQQ broke its September 20th low, I believe. Yep, September 20th low broken by tech. Not broken by SPY, but very close. XLF is well above the September 20th low. IWM is still well above September 20th low. So IWM and financials are strongest. QQQ is the weakest, and SPY is the second weakest. Other than that, Bitcoin, good comments from Jay Powell today about they're not thinking about banning crypto. We did rip up. We're still forming this falling wedge pattern. So honestly, like I said in the crypto chat, I do see us testing 39, 38K support one more time before the breakout just to get tighter in this wedge. But based on that news by Powell, we might just rip right through the falling wedge. VIX still putting in those daily highs, whatever the fuck. Higher lows and higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low. Do we crack 2890 on the VIX? If we crack 2890, this market's in for a much steeper pullback. ES closed above, did we close? ES closed below 4,300. That's full risk off in my opinion. Very risky market here. To the upside, to the downside, have fun. Puts pay very well, very fast. As you guys have probably noticed when you play puts. Amazon looking like shit. Head and Shoulders is playing out perfectly. Looks like we're breaking down. Next level down from Amazon. We actually broke a very key level on Amazon, which is the weekly 50-day moving average. Let me get rid of these lines for you guys. So these lines were meant to represent the 50-day moving average. The 50-day moving average was at 3281. Last time we broke it, the next week we ripped up 5% on Amazon. Last time we closed below. So if we close tomorrow under 3281 on Amazon next week, expect a big bounce. Because every time we have closed below the 50-day, it bounces hard. So keep an eye on Amazon 3281 tomorrow, guys. Other than that, looks like bear mode. AMD held up better than most stocks all day. And we didn't even get near the lows of the day. So AMD is strong. Keep an eye on that one. Netflix is strong. Keep an eye on that one. Didn't get near the lows. Twitter looks like dog shit. That weekly bounce looks like it's done. Looks like we cracked. No, we're still holding the weekly 50-day moving average on Twitter as well. So keep an eye on this one tomorrow. As long as we close above 60 tomorrow on Twitter, it looks like it should be set up for next week. But let's see. So this is another thing. When you guys are watching these trends, when it goes down and touches the 50-day and bounces hard, those are bullish. When it goes down and pauses at the 50-day and then kind of goes sideways above the 50-day, or any support in that matter, that's just a bear flag. That means bears are gathering momentum to break that level. So it's the exact same thing as a bull flag, just the other way. They're just gathering momentum before they break the level. Airbnb, I really hope the market does dump so I can get some Airbnb equity at